Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel TechChimp. Today I'm going to teach you how to use your phone as webcam. So let's start. First of all, open Google Chrome and search Irene Webcam. Click on first website irene.com. Download software according to your operating system like Windows, Mac, Ubuntu. I am going to download for Windows. Now let's install it. Click on I accept the agreement and keep clicking next till finished button. Now install Irene Webcam in mobile also. Open App Store or Play Store and search Irene Webcam. Click download button. Open the app and give access to camera and microphone. You can see app is using camera. Now we have to open Irene Webcam software in computer also so that it can connect with each other. You guys just make sure both devices are connected with same Wi-Fi. So finally, you can see our phone camera is working as webcam in computer. You can see I am moving my phone and it's showing into my computer screen. You can on flash also. I hope this video will help you to use your phone as webcam. If you like this video, click like button and subscribe my YouTube channel for more videos. Thank you.